Hey guys, to use discount on Hostinger, it can be little bit tricky. To apply coupon in WordPress hosting from Hostinger, you need to click on hosting here and you need to click on WordPress hosting. And let's start now. And right now, you will have 4 options. You can choose which plan you like. After you choose any plan, let's go to next. You will see how long you need it for. Let's go down here. You will see here the select payment and you will see have a coupon. We need to click on that. After you click on it, you will see enter the coupon here. I got coupon for you guys. It will give you 10% off. Let's put it and let's apply. Look at this, we got $20 discount as well. I will put the coupon in description.